Living in Summerlin means enjoying the best of Las Vegas, beautiful homes, clear skies, and warm desert days. But when the temperatures shift, your comfort depends on one thing: a reliable HVAC contractor. That's where Honest HVAC Installation and Repair, Way Cool comes in. We're the name Summerlin trusts for heating, cooling, and peace of mind, year after year. From AC installation to furnace repair, and everything in between, our licensed HVAC contractors bring experience, efficiency, and transparency to every project. We specialize in residential and light commercial systems, offering top-tier HVAC services that keep your indoor air clean and your energy bills low. Whether you need urgent repairs or a brand new system, our HVAC contractors treat your home like it's their own, with care, precision, and pride. Contact us today. Do HVAC contractors in Summerlin offer maintenance plans? Yes. Maintenance agreements often include seasonal tune-ups, priority scheduling, discounts on repairs, and better system longevity. How often should HVAC systems be serviced in Summerlin? Twice a year, once in spring for cooling and once in fall for heating. Regular maintenance improves performance, lowers energy bills, and extends system life. Can HVAC contractors install ductless mini-split systems in Summerlin homes? Yes. Ductless systems are a popular option for homes without existing ductwork or for room-by-room climate control. Contractors can assess and install the right unit for your needs. Where is Honest HVAC Installation and Repair, Way Cool? We are located at 500 North Rainbow Boulevard, Suite 101B33, Las Vegas, Nevada 89107. Our phone number is 725-215-6738. Visit our website, www.honesthvaccompany.com/north-rainbow-summerlin-ac-installation-repair.